Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, am I speaking to Ajay?
Yeah.
Okay, this is regarding your interview call from NCR.
Okay.
Yeah. So is it the right time to talk to you?
Give me 2 minutes. I'll come outside. 2 minutes only.
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you start?
Yeah. Can you please tell me about your?
Yeah. So myself is Ajay. Around 3.5 years experience on DevOps. So in my past experience, I worked a couple of tools like version control system, SVN I worked, and Git I worked. Coming to build tools, I have very good experience on Maven and also basic knowledge in AND. Coming to continuous integration, I have very good experience on Jenkins. So in my past experience, I worked couple of activities like installing the nodes and installing the plugins and also doing the automation process using the deployment tool like run that we are using. And also I have knowledge in the chef configuration also. And coming to backup repository, I have very good experience on Nexus. So both like automation and manual process also have good knowledge. And coming to ticketing system tool, I have good experience on service now and RTC and basic knowledge in Jira also. And also code monitoring tool like Fisheye, I have very good experience. Apart from this, I have good knowledge in the doing the automation process using the DevOps concept. So like complete architecture when developers checking the code till development to end deployment, I have good knowledge. And also I have knowledge in the code quality checking tool like SonarQube, I have knowledge. And also like incident management tool, change management tool, ITSM, I have knowledge. So this is myself.
Okay. So how long did you work on?
Chef?
Yeah.
Yeah, from past 1 year I working on Chef. So most of the deployments I will do using the Rundeck.
Using what?
Rundeck.
Okay. Run list. Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I have. It will be coming here.
Okay, hi.
Yeah. Okay. Can you rate yourself on the scale of 5?
5 out of 3 I'll give.
What is the metadata file in cookbook?
Yeah?
What is metadata.rchitecture file?
Yeah, each and every cookbook it's required a small amount of metadata. So that means a file name metadata is located at the top of the every cookbook. I mean a directory structure, whatever it may be. And also the concept of metadata, it's like it will provide the hints to check the chef server to help ensure cookbook are deployed to each node correctly or not. This kind of information will pass in the metadata.rb.
So where do we maintain version of cookbook then?
What?
Version of cookbook.
Version of cookbook?
Yeah.
Version of cookbook will maintain the development kit only.
Okay. So what is recipe?
So recipe is performing the action. It's like any kind of single action if you want to perform, we will write the recipe.
Okay. So how do you write? I mean, how do you try to execute that action in recipe?
So usually that we are using the Ruby script in the recipe. So first default.rb file automatically generate when you create the cookbook. So you can write inside the default.rb file, or else you can create the own file.rb data. I mean it should be .rb format. So you can write the Ruby script inside that.
Okay. Okay. Right. In run list, if you do, I mean, you mentioned only cookbook name
Okay.
and you didn't mention any, I mean, recipe of the cookbook, then which recipe will be executed? The recipe will be executed or recipe will not be executed in that chapter?
Yeah. Come again one more time.
In the run list,
Yeah.
the node run list, you didn't mention any recipe name.
Yeah, we have. Yeah,
You mentioned only cookbook name. In that case, what will happen?
that you have to run that recipe inside the cookbook only. Then only it will execute. So then only it will check the, I mean, your code, whatever you written inside the default.rb file. Then only it will compile the code. Otherwise, if you run somewhere, it can't be check the path and all.
Yeah, I'm not saying see, there is no code in default.rb.
Hmm.
In run list node, we mentioned see, in run list we'll mention right in this sequence like
Exactly.
recipe of that. So you didn't mention the recipe of the cookbook in that run list. You mentioned only cookbook name. In that case, what will happen?
In that case, it will throw error only because so it don't know where exactly it will execute. That's why it throw error.
Okay, Ajay.
Okay.
What is customized resource in Chef?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, what is customized resource in Chef?
Customized resource like if I want to write a specific custom task if I want to perform. So specific kind of requirement book in Chef.
Okay. Okay. Can you explain me any one of the cookbook you worked on before and which you developed from the scratch?
Yeah. So I created one cookbook for the deploying the package from the Chef development kit to destination server. So in the cookbook, like how it will work is, so first it will install the Java, and also whatever I gave in the particular recipe, that for actions whatever like Apache, and also like doing the deployment on Tomcat 5 to Tomcat server. So whatever details I will mention the with Jenkins link like wget space that Jenkins package list. I will mention that cookbook. So these kind of things I created one cookbook.
Okay, Ajay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the role in Chef?
Hello, can you hear me? Voice?
Yeah. What is role in Chef?
Hello. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yeah. Now fine. Actually, some signal problem in the office. Sorry. Yeah. Now audible. So usually we are using the role the way how define the certain pattern and the process to exist across the node in the organization belonging the single job or function. So we can going to use the role. Role having different types of attributes.
Okay. Ajay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how good you are with Ruby scripting? How can you rate yourself on a scale of 5?
Actually, I am not very expert in the Ruby, very basic knowledge only Ruby. So my current project, we have a standard Ruby script. So according to requirements, we will just change the path and all we can do. But I can do, I will write the script. If you give time to write, I can do. I'll manage.
Okay, okay. What is hash tables in Ruby?
Yeah?
What do you mean by hash tables in Ruby language?
Hash, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
So usually hash is nothing but like it's a one kind of operator in our Ruby. So usually if I wanted to define a variable kind of things, we will pass.
Can you please repeat that?
Yeah. So it's yeah. So the meaning of the hash is nothing but so it's like if I wanted to define a variable variable in the Ruby, I can use the hash symbol. Hash and the flower bracket I can use.
Okay, okay, Elvis. Okay. How good you are with PowerShell scripting? Have you ever worked on any kind of server level scripting like Python or PowerShell or shell scripting?
Yeah, self script I work.
Okay, you don't have any PowerShell hands-on, right?
Yeah, self script only I work.
Okay. What is pipeline job in Jenkins?
So basically, pipeline job is like if I wanted to automate the complete process, like if I have multiple jobs, like 5 jobs I have. So what my planning is, I wanted to automate the complete process while using the pipeline process. So such kind of thing, what I will do first, I will install the pipeline view plugin in the Jenkins box. So after that, what I will do is I will create the jobs for the my whatever jobs I am going to create this particular pipeline view, that particular jobs I create. So after that, what I will do, all missions I should give in the same build mission only. So and also once I created each and everything, later what I will do is I'll give the connectivity between the 5 jobs. How I will give it? So when I install the build pipeline plugin, inside the build, any job. So first to go to post build action, there you will get the option parameter build and other project. So if it is test one job, so I have a 5 job, test 1 to 5. So in the test one job, I should give the second job name in the parameters build another project. Like that, I'll configure the each and everything. So when I refresh the jobs, it should show the upstream and the downstream projects. If I open the first job, downstream project, it will show the second job. If I open the second job, it should upstream is 1, downstream is 3. So like that, I have to configure the job. So once it is done, I should configure the build pipeline view. So in the build pipeline view, I should mention the initial job from where I wanted to start the execution. In the out of 5 jobs, from where you wanted to start the execution. So once it is done, what I have to give is, so whenever checking the source code into my jobs, so automatically the builds will be run in the pipeline view. So these benefits while we have using the build pipeline.
Okay, Elvis.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is continuous integration?
So basically, continuous integration is nothing but so whenever your development is done, what it will do is it will continuously combining the source code. So while doing the continuous integration, so many benefits we have. So basic benefit is like whenever your development is going on, so day to day, once your development is done, we will check in the source code into your version controlling. What Jenkins continuous integration will do is continuously it will check the issues and all. So you will fix the issues on time only, and also you can deliver the product as per your deadline, timeline to customer. So these kind of benefits we have while using the continuous integration.
Okay, Elvis.
Yeah.
What is git merge conflict?
Yeah, so in Git we will get the conflicts like whenever we doing the combining the source code from one branch to another branch. So like it's like a revision number mismatch. So whenever these kind of things happen into while you are doing the combining, so we will get the conflicts in the Git or SVN.
Okay. So in case of revision number issue, you get much conflict, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is rebase?
Yeah.
What is rebase in Git? Rebase.
Yeah. So we will use, rebase in Git, like the purpose of rebasing, if I want to, instead of using the commit, we can use the rebase also, like rewrite the project history, such kind of things, we will use the rebasing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are done with your interview. Do you have any questions?
No,
Any questions?
no,
Yeah.
it's good.
Okay. So thank you so much. So our HR will get back to you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you, Ajay. Bye.
Thank you, bye. Yeah.